Welcome back, subscribers. This is Johnny Hopper. Sometimes I make myself look dumb on purpose. Other times it's unplanned. This might be one of those unplanned times, unfortunately. So I made this video yesterday, no more than like 9-12 hours ago, saying, is doping really taking place? They say it is because the rulebooks say it's under USADA, but there's no results. That was updated Monday, the 26th. Let's go year 2021. Where is Motocross? It's obviously below. Wow. Whoa. Boom. No results. No results. So let me just finish. Back here, date's exactly the same. Updated weekly, 26th. Boom. Motocross. God, if I could freaking... Thank you. Boom! We've got dead people there. We've got Tomac, Ray, Blessinger, the man himself, Dylan, Justin Barsha, Cooper. They're all there. Testing. So we know testing has taken place. So I retract my statement saying that I don't know if testing is taking place. That I will admit to. Question is, what were they tested for? Nobody knows. Just like nobody knows if anyone saw this video and then updated this. Do I think I'm that important? No. So I'm going to say by default, this was ironic timing issue that I had that made myself look stupid. But nonetheless, there's been results. They're there, guys. I'll post the link in the description so you can go see for yourself. I wonder, is 2020 up? No, 2020 is still not up. They probably didn't test during COVID. I'm sure makes sense. But no, last thing I want to address is lately somebody has been posing. Is this trolling or is this the real dude? Steve-O, if this is the real you, man, I've sent you text messages. You don't respond to them. So I don't want to call into your show, just plain and simple. I find no need in wanting to call into your show. The community is small enough, so we don't need to have a pissing match about stuff. If you want to talk to me, call me or invite Cooksey and I, maybe Rob, maybe Jason, all to your studio. We can talk in person. That sounds like a much better episode than me calling in for 10 minutes, being on hold. So anyway, this is Johnny Hopper. Looks like there are results up. Timing's everything, guys. Timing is everything. So on this one, we're going to bog it out. We're going to bike blew up. This is me blowing up.